Welcome to my channel. For the one that are new, my name is Jen. Welcome. For today's look, we are using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and also a Maybelline palette. And I was feeling like doing something colorful, so that's what I've done today. I really hope you will enjoy this video. Now let's jump into this tutorial. I'm starting by priming my eyelids using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. And for this tutorial, I will be using the Modern Renaissance palette. And the first shade that I will be using in my crease is Cyprus Amber. I will be patting this color until I'm satisfied with the intensity. To blend this brown shade, I will go in with red ochre. It's kind of a red orangey shade. It's beautiful. I went in with my loose setting powder to set my eyebrows and above the red ochre shade. I will kind of cut my crease, so I will be using the same concealer I have used to prime my lids and do a kind of semi-cut crease. On my lids, I will go in with Love Letter, which is a dark pink. To prime my face, I will go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, and I put way too much on my cheeks. Next, I will be blending the edges of the pink shade. At first, I wanted to leave it like that, but I thought it would be prettier if I blend the edges. So that's what I did. Next, I will go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 355. To highlight my face, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I will be blending this out using my mini damp beauty sponge. To set my highlighted areas, I will go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium Deep 30. Next, to set the remaining of my face, I will be using the same loose finishing powder but in the shade Dark 40. To contour, I will go in with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I will be using the darkest brown shade of the palette to contour my cheekbones and my nose. For blush, I will be using these two beautiful colors from the Forever 21 Love and Beauty Ultimate Matte Blush Palette. And I will put a little bit on my nose. Isn't it cute? For mascara, as usual, I will be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. To highlight my inner tear dot, I will go in with this beautiful shimmery gold shade, which is Primavera. To highlight, I will be using the Milani Tentastic Face and Body Baked Bronzer in the shade Fantastic in Gold 01. On my lower lash line, I will be using the Maybelline the Brights palette, and I will go in with this beautiful electric blue. Then I will coat my lower lash line with mascara. Then to line my lips, I will be using the Nicka K Bold Eye Pencil in the shade Brown. And for lipstick, I am using the Rimmel Lasting Finish Lipstick in the shade Airy Fairy 70. And on top of that, I will go in with my lip gloss from the beauty supply store. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up because it will support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe because I really want us to grow in a big family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Mwah.